Mix it up and hit you with a little what's up today. Watch list going into June 12th. NVAX was my main watch from the watch list yesterday, coming into this consolidation range. Unfortunately, I kind of botched it, where you had this kind of push, pull, fake breakout, engulfing red candles, and then broke prior support. So I ended up moving on. I was watching the 2 minute, and he kept getting these top wicks. So I moved on and ended up missing this dollar of upside. But is what it is. Got to watch it and kind of get a feel for the price action. I don't typically play these larger cap names, so it wasn't a huge size trade for me anyways. But just getting a feel how they work, and so far seems a bit choppier and wider risk. I was sized in for low a day risk. I just didn't like how it was acting, so I ended up missing that one there. Kit was that breakout trade, big gap up exhaustion move into prior daily levels, that 40 line I mentioned yesterday, and off pre-market it acted as resistance and failed pretty hard, put out a 424 filing here and never saw higher. BNAI, I had on watch, push, pull, and then you get a higher low versus prior support. I was looking for this sort of downtrend line to break and start to build over the 520s. It just never came and failed into the close. Clue, noting this 260 line, it keeps holding. I did get a message from one of the Asian scammers saying potential hot pick this week, meaning they're going to try and tell me to buy, and who knows what they do with it, but they likely have the float control. I don't know if it's this name or if it's something else, but I'm just keeping this on radar because I know its history. So I expect it to end in a similar fashion. Ideally, goes a lot higher from this point now. And then ASTS will be my main watch tomorrow. You got this big flush pre-market right here, and it got absorbed very quickly. You got this sort of sideways swizzle action, and then the break here midday. Nice consolidation move, kind of what I was hoping would happen on this day. But now that it has pulled, set its higher low to the 750s, and now broke out of the 940s, I'm going to be looking for all weak opens on this. Ideally, it doesn't gap up. Ideally, we get a flat or a gap down, and I'm looking for dips to join trend there. And I think that's about it. Kiwi, I won't be able to trade because it's dually listed, US and Canada. But this is kind of setting up for one of those third day moves. Although it does have offering risk, so it's nothing I would swing, but potential day trade here. I just won't be watching it because I can't trade it, so there's no real point. But if this builds over 110s, I think it could go. Other than that, yeah, I think that's about it. Keep it light. Feeling a bit under the weather. Might be able to hear it in my voice. But yeah, we'll keep it a bit light going into Wednesday here. And yeah, I hope you guys trade them well, and I will see you in the room.